So each summer, Southeastern Missouri State University students have an opportunity to participate in a 2-week summer field school in St. Genevieve, Missouri, exploring French culture and architecture, engaging in hands-on activities.
We did a little archaeology. We found some very interesting things in our test plots. We'd actually get to find a piece of something that might be 100 or 200 years old. That's exciting for me.
Students are having, again, with the window repair workshop. We're physically doing measured drawings of a building, doing documentation of it. One of the things that we do is a timber framing workshop where we have a guy come down and we hand you logs.
The wood hewing part in forming the vertical timbers was difficult because you're using all hand tools. You don't have the advantage of power or modern day saws, so we had to use crosscut saws, chisels, hammers, adzes to shape the material. It probably took us 4 hours to do one log. And that wasn't even really a total finished piece.
One of our graduates is working at Blunt Mansion in Knoxville, Tennessee, and he called me to say that he's convinced the reason he got the job is because of field school, because it was a timber frame building and he knew all about timber framing and the joinery and was able to discuss with the interview team aspects that really demonstrated that he knew what it took to make a building like that and consequently to take care of the building. So field school is a way of kind of making real some of these more theoretical concepts.